Welcome to PT Weather, everybody. I'm Phil Tivell. As you know, this week we're going to be experiencing a solar eclipse. So I decided to do a little video on what you can expect for that. Are you going to be able to see it? I guess first off, though, what is a solar eclipse? As you can see, I've set up a sample solar eclipse right here. So right here, what's happening this week on the 8th is you have the sun and then the moon in the middle blocking the sun from hitting the earth. Now, it's not going to happen everywhere. A very small area is going to get the total solar eclipse, but a lot of the areas in the U.S. is going to be able to see the partial solar eclipse, especially if you're kind of along the East Coast or a little bit west towards the middle of the country. West Coast might be able to see a little bit, but not nearly as much. So yes, here's your solar eclipse. You can see the hamburgers are in the dark. This is different than a lunar eclipse, where the Earth would instead be between the sun and the moon, and thus blocking the moon. So we're going to be experiencing is a little bit cooler, and let's go see if you guys will be able to see it. All right, so today is Saturday, a largely uneventful day today. This is our precipitation types and rates map, and you can see not much is going on. We can look at the radar, current radar, again, not much, total cloud cover. Really nice day. A little cold outside, but pretty sunny. I'd expect all that to be carry on till tomorrow and through the first part of the week. For the most part, though, it's going to be a little bit more of mixing clouds, especially on eclipse day. But today and tomorrow for your weekend should be nice but cool. Let's go ahead and get right to the eclipse. If we go to the NAM high resolution model, which is now just in range of the eclipse time frame, to Monday the 8th. And the eclipse is going to be starting around 2:30 in Texas, traveling around this path from southern Texas to northern Maine. If you're directly under it, you'll get a total solar eclipse. If you're a little bit farther out, it won't be a total solar eclipse, but you'll still see a pretty good partial solar eclipse. I live in the DC area. We'll still be getting around 85%, 90% solar eclipse. All right, and so what is the cloud coverage going to look like in that area? We'll not go to 11 a.m., let's go to 2 p.m. And you can already see that it looks like there's a fair amount of clouds. Not to worry. This is not total cloud it is total cloud coverage, but the total cloud coverage is not equal 100%, even though you see clouds here. So if you click around here along this path of the solar eclipse, you can see, those values are kind of mixed. Some of them is up to 100 down near the south, but as you get north, then the values are less. It's not going to be perfect viewing for a solar eclipse, but it's going to be a mix of clouds and sun. And so that's okay. That should give you the opportunity to see the eclipse wearing your eclipse-proof sunglasses. Don't stare at it directly. But it'll give you a chance to see it off and on while it's happening. It'll be a passing cloud or something. So you'll be good. Go check out that eclipse. Don't cancel your plans for it. I think you'll be able to see it. All right. What's the rest of the weather shaking up to look like? Well, it's going to be a decent week. This weekend, again, kind of cool, pretty clear. It should be nice to get out, but wear a sweater. And then the week going forward, we can go ahead and look at the... I'll go ahead and just refresh my screen here, get back to that precipitation chart. And we can go a day at a time and kind of look at that precipitation. And there's not much going on this week. There's the 8th. Change that back to days. You can see that on the 10th, you get a little bit of rain, 11th over here. But now, we're at near end of the week, Thursday into Friday. And then it clears up again. And so, mid part of the week, up to the mid part of the week, decent. As far as temperatures go, we can actually look at the temperature anomaly now. And we'll go to the 6th. Now we'll go to start at the 7th. And you can see the temperature anomaly is showing how much colder or warmer we are from the average. And you can see from this, in the east and west, we're a little bit colder than normal to start out the week. Pretty clear still, but it's going to be kind of cool. But that changes as we get, closer and closer to the end of the week. By the end of the week, I've got a model change coming up on me right now. By the end of the week, you will see that the temperatures get a little bit warmer. And now instead of 10 degrees colder, we're about 10 degrees warmer. So we're going to have about a 20-degree swing. But at the end of the week, it's also going to start getting a little rainy. The actual max temperatures for those days, you can see in the DC area and around over here, you're going to be in the 70s, a little bit above normal. That's the end of the week. And then now I'm going backwards in time towards the beginning of the week. Here's your eclipse day. Pretty average day. Temperature-wise, maybe a little bit colder than normal. And then this is tomorrow. Again, kind of cool. But yeah, decent week shaping up. So yeah, get out there and enjoy it, especially that first half of the week. You'll have some rain Thursday into Friday, it's looking like. All right. Have a good week. This is Phil Tivell again from ptweather.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's my link to my videos up here. Here's my link to Facebook. I'm kind of on Twitter, but no one really follows me on Twitter, so probably don't go there. If you want your detailed forecast for your location, just right-click anywhere on the map, do your show forecast, and you can get it across multiple models. So check your Eclipse that way as well, your Eclipse forecast. All right, have a good week.